This is Rebecca. No, there's more. This is Rebecca playing the Wii at my house. This is in my room. She's playing the skiing game. Go forward. You see that little blue dot? You need to get your red dot to the blue dot. Your period dot to the blue dot. You're still unbalanced.
That was good.
No, it wasn't. To the Wii.
I'm doing it again, bitch.
Please do the type of one. There you go. Keep it there.
Oh, shit.
Watch. Stupid.
I hit your face. Sorry.
Keep it at the blue dot. Oh wait, hold on. Raccoon. Keep it there. There, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Now up. Oh, you took. You failed. Your person. Oh, you. Yo, look at it, your person. You kept it there. LOL. 49. You fail.
That shouldn't even get one star.
You fail.
But you know what? I got this.
You still fail.